How to add welcome bot to Discord. Adding a welcome bot to Discord facilitates greeting messages, enhancing the welcoming experiences for new service members. So now I'm going to show how you can do it in this server. So just click on that option and go to add. After that, this interface appears on your screen. Just search for ProBot and go to this piece and tap on Add App. And this will give you an option to visit the site. Just tap on it and then authorize it. Keep scrolling and tap on continue, choose the server and authorize. And then confirm that you're not a robot. After some seconds, then you'll get a page where there is an interface overview. You need to go to welcome and goodbye. And you may just customize the meshes however you want, and whenever anyone joins the server, they will be receiving that message. So if I send the link of my server and send it to other people and they try to enter, they will receive the greetings that I just customized before. So in this way, you can add welcome bot to Discord in 2023. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful to you.